Hello everyone! Today we are here at Marmomac 2025 to present two models of our C series. The C438, a powerful and reliable contouring machine, which has been already chosen by many professionals in the industry. And the brand new C334, the most compact of our range, but with incredible performance. Ideal for complex processing on kitchen tops, vanities, and all types of cladding and internal furnishing. It has monobloc structure, 18 kilowatt spindle, tool presetting system, and a number of optionals to increase efficiency and quality. Also available in 3 and 4 axes. Easy to install and very user-friendly, enabling you to bring your production to a higher level. We look forward to seeing you here at the show to discover it live.